Greetings from Plaža San Simon, Simonov Zaliv in Izola, and yes, it's time for yet another beach adventures with Chris from Slovenia. I was walking along the coast from Mesečev Zaliv, the FKK nudist beach, and passing by Plaža Dobrova and Plaža Bele Škali. That was under, the last one was under shadow, so I decided just to continue and find a beach that's with sun, like this one. And it's a wonderful sunny day here in Izola. And they have also a water slide, as you can see over there. And yeah, it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. So I'm now walking today from Portorož to Koper, and now I'm almost halfway through. I'm gonna be at Izola Center. So let's then show you this beach as well. There is also here a restaurant, Bistro San Simon, and it seems like there is a lot of things to do here in Izola. And this beach is facing, let's see, facing north, but it's time then to take a swim here on the coast of Slovenia again. And this is the third beach adventure for today on this 14th of October, and currently it is 1:30 p.m. and I have only 6 hours left to explore Slovenia. So yeah, almost 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 in the sea I have measured earlier today. It seems like from here it's to walk along the beach promenade, and I'm going to be exploring Izola later today and maybe a few other beaches. We shall see. Yeah, so then let's hit the sea, Adriatic Sea, and have another swim in the sea here in Slovenia. Let's see how many beaches I will be managing to visit. But here we have, let's see what we have in the water. I see some black balls in the water. What is that? I'm not really sure. But there is even a pier over here to... Oh, I see fish in the water over here. And this is how the sandy beach looks like from the sea. Yeah, it's obviously out of season, so not so many people are on the sea, but it's also Tuesday and middle of the day. So yeah, let's then hit the waters and go in for a swim in the sea. Oh, so many fish here. And if you just walk along the coast here, you can find some beautiful nudist beach spots that are unfortunately now under shadow, but you can continue all the way to Strunjan, where I was yesterday, and it was quite amazing. So yeah, then it's time to go in for a swim here at Plaža San Simon. So let's go. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. So that is a wrap from Plaža San Simon. Now it's time for me to enjoy a nice longer swim in the sea. And yeah, greetings from this beach in Slovenia, and see you soon again with another adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.